So this is my current audio. Now let's see how to remove noise from this audio using Audacity. So first of all, we have to select the background noise part. It could be your first part from your audio, or it could be your last part from your audio file. Just select a part with background noise. So go ahead and select the portion with background noise. Then go to effect and hover over on noise removal and repair. Here click on noise reduction. From there click on gate noise profile, and then all you have to need, press Ctrl A to select your entire audio clip. Then again go to effect, again go to noise removal and repair, click on noise reduction. In here you can adjust noise reduction dB, you can adjust sensitivity, you can also adjust frequency smoothing bands. So I'm going to leave as it is and then just clicking on OK. And that's how you can actually remove noise with Audacity.